Good morning to all. Now we will discuss about the multi-evaporator systems. In a previous week, we have discussed about the multi-pressure systems, in which the compressor work is reduced by using the multi-stage compression with intercooling. Due to that, the coefficient of performance of the system increases. Now, the multi-evaporator systems. Now, why there is a need of multi-evaporator systems? As name indicates, multi-evaporator, that means in this system evaporators are more than one. That may be two, that may be three, that may be n number, depend upon the application. So if the evaporators are more than one, then that systems are called as multi-evaporator systems. Now, why these systems are essential or necessary? Where these systems are used, that is multi-evaporator systems. Now, if suppose there is one industry, and in that industry if there is a requirement of different temperatures at different locations, for example cold storage plant or big milk dairy, so in that applications different temperatures are required for the storage of different foods at different locations. So if you want to produce these different temperatures at a different location, so it is not possible with the help of single evaporator. So in this case multi evaporator systems are used. That means with the help of multi evaporators we can achieve a different temperatures at different location. With the help of this multi evaporator systems we can maintain a same temperature at each and every evaporator, or we can maintain a different temperatures to each and every evaporators as per the applications. For example, in multiplex theaters, if there are number of screens are there, so there is the same requirement of same temperature at each and every location. So it is also achieved with the help of multi evaporators at same temperature. So we can increase or decrease the temperature, or we can maintain a different temperature simply by regulating the quantity of refrigerant which is flowing through the system. If you want to very low temperature, then increase the quantity of refrigerant which is flowing through the system, or if you want to some high temperatures, that is we can decrease the quantity of refrigerant which is flowing through the system. So by regulating the quantity of refrigerant we can achieve the different temperatures at different location, or we can achieve the same temperature at different location with the help of this multi evaporative systems. So generally these systems are used in a big storage plants, in a big agricultural storage, in big dairy mills for the storage of the different products at a different temperature, because for the preservation of these products, for different products different temperatures are necessary. So it is achieved with the help of these multi evaporator systems. So in these systems we can use single compressor, or we can use the multi-stage compression or multiple compressors as per the requirement. So depending upon the construction, there are a number of types of multi evaporator systems are there. Nowadays these multi evaporator systems are used in big industries, big temples, big theaters, big malls. With the help of ducting system, the chilled refrigerant from the throttle wall is supplied to the each and every evaporator, or there may be a separate throttle wall or throttling process to each and every evaporator. So depending upon the application, depending upon the construction, there are variety of types of these multi evaporator systems. In these multi evaporator systems, these systems are very useful for the complicated structures where we want different temperatures at a different location with minimum cost and with maximum coefficient of performance. So in this system there may be a single compressor, or there may be a multi-stage or multiple compression stages. There may be an individual expansion valve, or there may be separate expansion devices or throttle valves to each and every evaporator. In this system, these evaporators may be at same temperature, or these evaporators may be at different temperatures. So depending upon the applications, there are number of variety of types, and there is a variety of applications of these systems in various industries, temples, malls. So nowadays these multi-pressure with, that is multi-evaporator systems, are used in various fields for the production of comfort zone or for the production of cooling effect. So these systems are nothing but what multi-pressure systems, or is also called as what multi-evaporator systems.